If you're approaching dissertation submission and hearing the words, "it's not quite ready yet," it can feel incredibly frustrating and also confusing. You might be thinking, what does that even mean? I've written all of these chapters, I've run all the analysis. What's actually missing here? And the closer you get to the deadline, the more stressful that uncertainty becomes. I'm Dr. Matthew Courtney from Grad Coach. Over the years, our team has helped over 10,000 graduate students complete their dissertations and theses. And today, I want to clarify what advisors and examiners usually mean when they say a dissertation is not ready at the submission stage. First, not ready rarely means that your entire project is fundamentally flawed. Most of the time, it means that there are structural or conceptual issues that would make the dissertation hard to defend or evaluate. These are problems of clarity and alignment, not effort or intelligence. One of the most common signs a dissertation isn't ready is unclear or shifting research questions. At the submission stage, your research questions should be stable, precise, and clearly reflected throughout the document. If your literature review emphasizes one set of ideas, your methods answer a slightly different question, and your findings might focus on something entirely different, examiners will struggle to follow the logic of the study. If you need clarity on your research questions, check out our Research Aims, Objectives, and Questions videos in our channel. Another major red flag is weak alignment between your methods and your research questions. Examiners ask a very specific question when they read your methods chapter. Does this design actually answer the questions the student claims to be asking? If the answer is unclear, the dissertation may be sent back, not because the method is wrong, but because the justification just isn't strong enough. A dissertation may also be not ready if the analysis feels underdeveloped or incomplete. This doesn't mean that you need more analyses. It often means that the existing analyses just aren't fully explained or interpreted. Tables and figures without a narrative, results without a clear takeaway, or themes without supporting evidence, they all signal that work hasn't fully landed yet. Another common issue is a discussion chapter that reads more like a summary than an interpretation. At the submission stage, examiners expect you to go beyond simply restating your findings. They want to see you explain what those findings mean, how they connect to the literature, and why they matter. If the discussion doesn't clearly answer the "so what" question, the discussion may be judged as premature. Not ready can also show up in how limitations are handled. Every dissertation has limitations, but avoiding them, minimizing them, or treating them superficially can raise concerns. Examiners want to see that you understand the boundaries of your work and can reflect on them thoughtfully. Acknowledging limitations doesn't weaken your study. It strengthens your credibility. Finally, readiness is about polish and presentation, but only at the end. While formatting, citation errors, and awkward writing are rarely the main reason that a dissertation is judged not ready, a high volume of small errors can signal that the document hasn't been fully finalized. At the submission stage, examiners expect a professional, clearly prepared manuscript. The key thing to remember is this. When advisors say your dissertation is not ready, they're usually trying to protect you. If you're in this boat, check out our dissertation chapter checklists. They work as great self-assessments to help you get back on track. The link for these can be found in the video description below. Remember, taking time to fix these issues now often saves months of effort later. If this video helped clarify what not ready really means for you, hit the like button so that we know to keep creating content like this. And if you're unsure whether your dissertation is truly ready to submit, drop your question down in the comments and we'll do our best to help.